Hello and welcome to week 14. In this session, we'll break down Alpha Maverick's performance, volatility regime adjustments, and the key risk management decisions that shape the week's outcome. Let's dive into the analysis. During week 14, we observed behaviour outside the usual pattern of Alpha Maverick, in a week marked by atypical market conditions and a significant external event. It is important to begin by noting that this week had one fewer trading day. On Friday, the gold market was closed due to Good Friday, which naturally reduced the window of opportunity for the system to operate and recover from adverse movements. Unlike previous weeks, it was not possible to reach the 9% profit protection trigger. On the contrary, this turned out to be the most negative week of the last 31 weeks of system operation. During the week, the 15% loss limit was reached, leading to the closure of all positions. This protection mechanism is one of the core pillars of Alpha Maverick, ensuring that in adverse scenarios, maximum losses are controlled and limited. The main reason behind this behavior is linked to a specific event. In the early hours of Thursday, around 4 a.m. platform time, a speech by Donald Trump had a direct impact on the market. These types of events can generate sharp directional movements, often outside typical statistical patterns. In this case, the market quickly moved in a strong direction, catching the system in an opposing position. This type of scenario is rare, but it is part of the reality of financial markets. When it occurs, it can create rapid moves that exceed the system's normal short-term adaptive capacity. It is important, however, to place this event into context. Alpha Maverick is designed to operate based on probabilities and recurring market patterns. Unexpected events, such as political interventions or unscheduled macro announcements, can temporarily distort those probabilities. Even so, the system has a track record that demonstrates its ability to recover from events of this nature. Similar situations have occurred in the past and were absorbed over time, with consistent results. To better assess the impact of this event, an alternative simulation was also conducted. In this scenario, we considered the possibility of the system not entering during the speech. Even under this condition, the week would still have been negative, although significantly less so, ending at approximately -6.59%. This shows that, while the event amplified the losses, the broader market context of the week was already challenging on its own. It is also important to note that the system has been evolving precisely based on extreme events. Over the past 31 weeks, similar scenarios have been identified, particularly in week 6 and week 10 of 2026. These events led to adjustments in the model aimed at mitigating the impact of comparable situations in the future. These adjustments are not made in isolation. Whenever a modification is introduced, it is applied through backtesting across all historical weeks of the system. The objective is to ensure that any future improvement does not compromise past consistency and performance. This continuous validation process is fundamental to maintaining the robustness of Alpha Maverick over time. Despite the negative outcome of this week, the system's behaviour remained within its defined parameters. The loss limit was respected, positions were closed as expected, and risk control was fully enforced. This type of week should be understood as a natural part of any quantitative strategy operating in real markets. There are no systems immune to extreme events. The difference lies in how those events are managed. In the case of Alpha Maverick, the priority remains clear: protect capital, limit losses, and continuously adapt the model to reduce exposure to similar scenarios in the future. Week 14 therefore represents a moment of adjustment and learning within a broader track record of consistency. The focus remains on the system's continuous evolution, ensuring that each event contributes to making the model more robust and better prepared for different market regimes. If you have any questions about the strategy, the risk model, or the performance breakdown, feel free to reach out. You can connect with us across our social channels and official communication platforms for deeper insights, weekly updates, and educational content. And if you're looking to better understand regime-based trading and structured risk management, our community resources are available to help you learn more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.